Hey girl, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create some Rihanna inspired Bantu knots. If you're interested, stay tuned. Yes, I am starting off on blow dried hair, and yes, I did break my tail comb in my blow dried hair. So don't comb your hair with a tail comb, part your hair with a tail comb, and comb your hair with a wide tooth comb. That's the better idea. Lesson learned over here. So what you're going to want to do is use your tail comb. I'm using what's left of my tail comb because I broke mine in my hair, so embarrassing. Also, using a hand mirror is very beneficial so that you can see the back of your head while standing in a bigger mirror. Unless you have somebody to help you part your hair, which will definitely save you a lot of time. I spent a lot of time parting, so just if you have someone that can help you, take the help. You want to ensure after every part that you make, you're using some Eco Styler gel first and a brush to smooth the hair, and then using a rubber band to section the hair off and keep it sectioned. After you finish sectioning and parting your hair off and completely, what you're going to want to do is grab your pack of X-pression braiding hair, or any type of braiding hair for that matter, and cut the pack in half if the hair is super long, which they usually are. So you're going to take a section of the hair, the X-pression hair, and separate it into two, and then put one on top of the other to form an X. You're going to grab the X with your forefinger and your middle fingers, and after you have created that X with the braiding hair, you're going to loop it one inside the other. Take the hair and set it on top of the section that you're gonna be starting with, or whatever section you're gonna be doing next. You're gonna use that hair and your own hair and just braid it down all the way until you can't braid it anymore. And notice, obviously your hair is gonna be a lot shorter than the braiding hair, so what you want to do is take some from each side and kind of just, each time you braid, take a piece from each side of the longer strands and integrate it in with your hair, which is the shorter hair. So eventually the middle will be the same length as the other strands, and you can continue braiding down. That's how I when you manage to braiding the braiding hair into
braid
your
my
hair
hair in,
if that doesn't work for you and you have another
and
method,
you want to make sure that you
braid it all the
then
way
go with that.
to the end, because that's going to be very important in helping your Bantu knot stay, and it also helps with to help it have a neater appearance. What you'll do is you'll take the hair and you will twist it around itself, really, essentially, and you just continue to do that over and over again until you have no more braid left to twist around. And that's how you're going to do that section to your whole head. Every section, you're going to do that to every section, and just repeat, and when you're finished, the result should be something like this.